Welcome to your Gaggenau full-surface induction cooktop. The cooktop that boasts barrier-free cooking with one large cooking zone for unlimited creative space and free placement of up to 6 pans. It heats up in seconds and is safe to use with panel lock features and residual heat indicators. It requires the use of induction-compatible cookware, which comes in a range of materials such as enameled steel, cast iron, or induction-compatible cookware. The full induction cooktop has 3 different cooking modes. Professional cooking, which enables you to change the heat setting quickly and easily by moving the cookware laterally into preset zones. Dynamic cooking, which enables you to change the heat setting quickly and easily by moving the cookware forward or backward without the need to manually change the settings. And classic cooking, which allows you to select the power level for individual cooking vessels. Scroll your finger to select your power level. If you need to move the pan to a new location, the induction cooktop will register its settings for 30 seconds. Touch the cookware symbol on the new cooking position to confirm the transfer of settings. A timer can be set for each pot. Cooking can also be paused at any time, and the cooktop will remember your settings when you return. Teppanyaki mode can be enabled to distribute heat either to the top half, bottom half, or the entire surface of the large Gaggenau teppanyaki pan accessory. A cooking sensor can be used for precise temperature regulation. Pair the sensor in settings and then sync the sensor with the cooktop. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. It also includes tips on cleaning and care, as well as a large selection of recipes. The Gaggenau full-surface induction cooktop. The difference is Gaggenau.